Hi guys. So in previous video I have shown you how to use your MCP server application in Cloud desktop app as a MCP client, and how the Cloud chatbot utilize your MCP custom MCP server tools to get the information and show the result in a chat bot itself. So now in this video I will show you how to do it in Visual Studio Code itself. You do not need to install the Cloud desktop app. So for that, first prerequisite is you need to install the basically GitHub Copilot. You can search, go to extension section and search GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot chat you need to install. It is already installed in my case. GitHub Copilot you should install. Chat you should install, and log in into GitHub Copilot using GitHub account, so that you can chat with your tools. Okay, so first prerequisite is this. Once you install GitHub Copilot, you need to now I will use the same application used in previous video. So I have used Cloud desktop app. Now the same application I will use, same MCP server application I will use for the Visual Studio Code MCP server client app. Okay, so for that, first I need to register my MCP server into Visual Studio Code. For that, I need to go create a new folder or open a new folder if you already created. So for I suppose let me go to my folder structure MCP. I have already created one folder. It's a MCP client. It's a empty folder. Okay, and now in this you need to create one folder called .vs code. Inside VS Code folder, you need to create one file called mcp.json file. Okay, this file is created. Now you need to basically the similar way the way we have added the MCP server metadata inside the Cloud desktop app. Here also we need to provide certain metadata to it, so that it will get to know what kind of application need to what kind of MCP server need to run when calling the tools. Okay, so basically for that you need to create one JSON structure. Here you need to mention servers. Inside it you need to create similar application logic. Let me, I think this is not the, I'm just removing this weather app. Inside that, yes, command. Here we are using UV ARGS, similar way the way we have added directory path of our basically MCP server application, because this Visual Studio Code is also running in a different directory, and our Python application file is a different directory, and you need to mention in which directory uh, the Python file resides. So for that you need to get that file path. Let me go. This is a path you need to show, double slash you need to again give, and then run, and then your file name, weather.py. Save it. One curly bracket is missing. Save it now. Control KT. So now it's perfectly looking directory, and so this kind of metadata you need to provide in order to get provide the MCP server details. So now to get to cross check whether this MCP server is registered or not, you need to go to extension. Here in MCP server, you can get in bottom, you will get all the you will view all the MCP server registered. You can see the weather app is just registered after adding this metadata, and in weather you can start server. You need to start the server. I am starting the server. So once the application is started, so it also discovered two tools. Now after the application MCP server is started, you can now chat in GitHub Copilot to get the information. So let's add one prompt. What all cities? What all cities weather information is available? So you can see GitHub Copilot also detected list cities is the one tool is available. So it asking me allow or not. I will click on allow. So now it given me the information that these are the cities which is which weather information is available. Now I will ask another question. What is the current weather of New York? Again, it detected one another tool is available. Get weather. I will allow this time also. So you can see this it given a perfect answer which the tool returned. The weather in New York is warm and sunny. So this way you can add your MCP server application into Visual Studio Code MCP client, and you can use the GitHub Copilot to get the information based on your MCP server application tools. So if you like this video, click on like, and if this video is informative, please share with your friend. New to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.